Tea kettles make the process of boiling your water easy and fun. There are many models out there with different features and functionalities. These are the best among them. Taking the 5th place is the 12-cup whistling kettle made of thermal, shock-resistant German borosilicate glass. There's also a BPA-free removable lid, heat-resistant phenolic handle, and a drip-free spout. The kettle can be used on both gas or electric stovetops and is dishwasher safe. It includes metal heat diffuser for safe use on electric range coils. The glass for this kettle is made in Germany. 4th on our list is the Mr. Coffee Flintshire. This kettle is made from solid stainless steel, and the whistling tea kettle alerts you when water is boiling, recommending you move it after the whistle has been blown. There is a flip-up spout cover for safe and easy pouring, and there is a stay cool trigger for safety. For keeping the kettle clean, hand wash with a mild soap is recommended. The kettle offers enough capacity to boil water for multiple cups of beverages with a 1.75 quart capacity. Head over to the video description to know more about the products and to buy any of our featured products today. Coming in at number 3, we have the Cuisinart CTKSS17. The classic stainless steel design is stylish enough to fit any kitchen. The whistles are attached to the kettle to signal that water is boiling. This kettle will save you time as well by heating up quickly, and it saves energy by retaining the heat well. Cleaning the kettle is easy, as you can just hand wash it with mild soap. This product also comes backed by a lifetime limited warranty. The 2nd place Chef's Secret 2.75 quart T304 stainless steel tea kettle with copper center capsule bottom boils plenty of water for all of your beverages. The innovative design of the copper center capsule bottom heats evenly and quickly, and it retains the heat. Riveted handle has heat-resistant hand grip and strategically placed opening lever that will safely keep your fingers away from the steam. Elegant mirror finish is fancy, and the kettle lid has heat-resistant knob handle. It is backed by a lifetime limited warranty. With the 1st place KitchenAid 2.0 quart kettle, you can quickly and easily boil water on your stovetop. The removable lid makes filling and cleaning easy. There's a thumb press spout and a C handle with comfortable grip for easy handling. And the vibrantly colored porcelain exterior brings a distinct accent to your kitchen. The stainless steel trim band adds a sharp definition to the already vibrant exterior. The clear, audible whistle will always let you know when your water is hot and ready. If you liked what you saw in today's video, then go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us again.